Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
So what's your relationship with Shina Peters?
I've known Shina since 1987. Wow. And that means I've known him half his life. He is an Egbon, and he was instrumental. He gave me some platforms when I was starting as a comedian. He used to come to Ekoma to perform. When he went to Unipen to perform, I went there to see him, so we became friends. And we've been friends ever since. He's my friend. He's my friend. So I wish him long life and prosperity.
Can you just describe Shina Peters in one word?
He's a multi-instrumentalist, but above all, he's very energetic and with a great sense of humor.
Alright, so which of his Afro Juju track do you love the most?
7-7.
Alright, can you just sing it for us a bit?
No, I can't. I know how to sing it, but you can't make me sing it.
Alright, so what are your wishes for Shina Peters?
It's a long life and prosperity.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Of the Today's Choice magazine from way back, Mr. Jide Oshokoya. Right back now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on stage the one and only Yomi Peters. The Super 7 movements have also sent in their own compilation. Unfortunately, most Nigerians don't know their license plate. So if you don't know your license plate, I will appeal to you to go and check. Perhaps it's your car. SMK 987EE. Yomi Peters, worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, the very wonderful, enigmatic Yomi Peters.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.